What's up, y'all? This is Rachel Von Doveren with Vigilante 4x4, and today's ride is a very, very special ride. It's a 1979 Wagoneer, and this beauty is blacked out. The outside is as discreet as you can get. Even the wood grain has the blacked out tones. And man, does she look mean on the road. So let's get going. Oh, doesn't she sound so delightful? We've been waiting a bit for this one. This vehicle, she picked a 1979, because that's the year she was born. Personally, one of my favorite years, because the wood grain on the outside is a more elegant thin line, and the way that the wood grain just wraps around the body in this thinner appearance, it just makes the whole vehicle super elegant. And she wanted to try something a little different. We made this blacked out Cherokee Jeep, and it was kind of the inspiration for her. She saw that vehicle and wanted to give it a shot on a Wagoneer. And I think you talk about everybody wanting to pounce on it. Vigilante was ready for the challenge. And this black beauty is everything that we thought it would be. The black paint has just the right amount of depth on it. Then you have the chrome that we made a matte black that contrasts against the shiny black of the paint. And then you have the gray and black wood grain on the outside. And it just kind of pulls it all together and just looks beautiful on the vehicle itself. And the windows are our architectural glass with a smoky tint to them. So you have this very discreet all black on the outside. And the richness, the pop, comes from the whiskey colored interior. And this interior, man, it looks delicious up against the black. You know, black and brown, it's a very classic combo. So the elegance of the two together, the blacked out vehicle, and I'm talking rims, the chrome, the wood grain, everything, with this lush and supple leather and corduroy. Of course, you've got the signature corduroy from the Wagoneer on the inside. It all just goes so nice together. And we have all of our signature qualities on the inside. You open the door, and on the inside, it all looks stock. The window crank looks like you should be able to crank the window down, but it's actually electric. The handles been slightly modified so that it's easier to grab onto, but it still looks stock. Even the gauges, at a quick glance, they look stock, but they've been adjusted to have more modern readings for you. And the way this beauty drives, ever driven the Wagoneer, and the time it takes when you turn the steering wheel and for the wheels to respond, you know what I'm talking about. Not this one. Tight, more modern for sure. The steering wheel just feels, it's the right width in your hand. It's very comfortable to hold on to. And you know, you have the SRT 8 in here, so she's got some get up and go when you need it. And she can also cruise really well. And right now, we are cruising just outside of Austin down 290. And this classic vehicle that everyone around me is seeing is able to keep up with all the modern vehicles on the road. It's quite a beautiful combo, right? That vintage vehicle and the modern drivetrain with power when needed. I love it. And not only does Betty have a really good get up and go, she's also got super powerful brakes. So overall, you feel very safe and comfortable. It's a smooth ride. You feel in control with the steering wheel. The response when you press the gas is instantaneous. Overall, this car just rides like a dream. There we go. There's the kick power. Thanks for coming on this joyride with Rachel. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you're more interested in the technology side and seeing all the upgrades and the 3D printing and the CNC that we did to this vehicle, hit the like or subscribe button and follow, because my husband will be going over and doing a deep dive of the vehicle, which will show you all the fun parts and pieces and all the love that's put into this vehicle. And y'all come back now, you hear?